Today we're sharing 15 tasty diabetic snacks that are all under 100 calories each, perfect for keeping your blood sugar levels stable while satisfying your cravings. Number 1. Celery sticks with hummus. Enjoy crunchy celery sticks paired with a tablespoon of hummus for a satisfying snack that's rich in fiber and protein. Number 2. Hard-boiled egg. A hard-boiled egg is a convenient and nutritious snack option, providing protein and essential vitamins and minerals. Number 3. Cucumber slices with cottage cheese. Slice up some cucumber and dip it in a quarter cup of cottage cheese for a refreshing and low-calorie snack packed with protein. Number 4. Cherry tomatoes. Enjoy a handful of cherry tomatoes for a burst of sweetness and a dose of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Number 5. Almonds. A small handful of almonds is a satisfying snack that provides healthy fats, fiber, and protein to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Number 6. Sugar-free Jell-O cup. Indulge in a sugar-free Jell-O cup for a sweet treat that's low in calories and won't spike your blood sugar levels. Number 7. Baby carrots. Snack on baby carrots for a crunchy and satisfying option that's packed with fiber and essential nutrients. Number 8. Greek yogurt with berries. Mix half a cup of plain Greek yogurt with a handful of berries for a creamy and delicious snack that's rich in protein and antioxidants. Number 9. Air-popped popcorn. Enjoy a small serving of air-popped popcorn for a low-calorie snack that's high in fiber and perfect for satisfying your salty cravings. Number 10. Sugar-free applesauce. Opt for sugar-free applesauce for a sweet and satisfying snack that's low in calories and won't cause spikes in blood sugar levels. Number 11. Rice cake with peanut butter. Spread a tablespoon of peanut butter on a rice cake for a crunchy and satisfying snack that's packed with protein and healthy fats. Number 12. String cheese. Enjoy a stick of string cheese for a convenient and portable snack option that's rich in protein and calcium. Number 13. Sugar-free gelatin snack pack. Indulge in a sugar-free gelatin snack pack for a sweet treat that's low in calories and won't impact your blood sugar levels. Number 14. Sliced bell peppers with guacamole. Slice up some bell peppers and dip them in a quarter cup of guacamole for a flavorful and nutritious snack that's rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Number 15. Edamame. Enjoy a half cup of edamame for a protein-packed snack that's low in calories and perfect for satisfying your hunger between meals. By incorporating these tasty and satisfying snacks into your diet, you can keep your blood sugar levels stable and support your overall health and well-being.